All right, I am here to show you how to use Canvas discussions online here. Now, discussions are a great way to create that um, collaborator and collaborator mentality where you are communicating with your classmates, hence the word collaborator. All right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to use my exceptional learner class here just as an example. All right, so we'll open up to, see, as you can see, I am on home. So I will click modules and we'll scroll down. We'll use chapter 7 just as an example here. And as you can see, I have my reading, study tools, and my assignments. You will click on this little box here that looks like speech bubbles here. This signifies a discussion topic, as you can see that gray box show up. And like this one would be an assignment. So we'll click that and we'll do this one here that is on attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. This little section here is where your teacher will give you the questions, as you can see here. They will sometimes put in their discussion guidelines, such as my teacher did here, but sometimes they'll put them word for word, or they'll do a link, as my teacher did here. They, as well, there's another example there for the discussion guidelines there. Up here, you can mark all is read. There is 13 replies here. If they're not all marked as read, there will be a second little itty bitty little box here that will have that number and it'll be highlighted green. That means that those ones are unread. If you click show rubric, it will show you the rubric, obviously, for your discussion. And as you can see, I did get full points because I did my initial post and I responded to 2 of my classmates. I'll exit out of here. This little spot here, you can search up different people, or sometimes I do this to double check and make sure I did respond to 2 classmates so I can meet the requirements for my class. This button here is just to collapse everything, so it's a little easier to manage, and as you can see, we're a pretty small class. This one shows you everything, so you can see everyone's writings and everything there. To reply to this is where your initial post will be. You will type whatever you need to post there, and it's much like Word in regards to like text color, underline, bold, italics, insert media, hyperlink, link to URLs, embedded image, Quizlet, which is used in my classroom, and like record a media, or yeah, pretty simple things there. You'll post reply and it will reply all of your stuff there, and I believe, yeah, that moves it. But you'll post reply there once you're done everything, and there, I just missed this. There is a attach button, so click that and it will go like choose file, and you could choose like a file there. Get out of that, and I will go down to my response here. As you can see, I did all 3. You can click here, and if you click go to topic, it will bring you back up there to the topic. You can edit it. So say I wanted to add something or remove something, I could go in and click done, and it will mention down below here that I edited it. Edit it. You can delete a response if you want to redo it. I'm not going to actually delete this because I need this for class. Let me find mine. It's down here. We'll use like my classmate Olivia's example here. As you can see, I replied to her comment, so did my classmate Marco. So to reply to a comment, you'll click reply reply right underneath the one you wanted to reply to. And it's very similar to the reply when you did your initial response. So you'll click post reply and they will pop up down below your post there. I believe that is about it. Like I said, it's pretty simple to use. There is some slight having to move it around or mess with it a little bit. But yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, and I did want to include, sometimes some teachers will have it where you have to respond or post your initial response in order to see your classmates' responses. It will be like an unsubscribed thing, so yeah. I just wanted to add that little footnote there, so everything else I believe is covered. All right. I hope everyone understood this, and I will see you some other time.